Good morning to everyone, and welcome to this session on change management strategies. We have two keynote speakers. One, Professor Alan Hopkinson, who's here on my right, and Dr. Jagtar Singh, who's on my further right. And we have three papers scheduled for presentation after the two keynote addresses. I would just want to check up whether the paper presenters are here in the hall. Kanchan Kamila? Kanchan Kamila?
I see.
No.
Leadership.
Okay. Abdul Momin Midda? Yeah. Yourself? You have two other co-authors, but you
This one.
only other. And Abdul Rashid. So we have only one paper presentation, at least the author is here for only one paper. That should give us a little more flexibility as far as the keynote speakers are concerned. So I would suggest that we have 1 hour and 10 minutes for the session, leaving about 10 to 15 minutes for the discussion. We will have exactly 1 hour, so that should give about 20 minutes for each, 20 to 25 minutes for each keynote speaker. Okay. We could do it at 20 minutes and then leave 5 minutes for sort of an interaction, and that should be about 50 minutes, and then about 10 to 15 minutes for the paper presentation, assuming there is only one author. If the other authors come, then we will have to ration the time. I want to again ask this question because I see many more people are coming in. Are the authors of the papers Kanchan Kamila and Abdul Momin, you are here, Abdul Rashid, not here. All right. Yeah, we go ahead on the plan of two keynote presentation and one paper presentation. Just as an introductory remark, I think, change management is one of the most important aspects, drawing the attention of literally everyone in the world. I think, world in itself, in my opinion, is on the verge of a major transformation. That means all of us will probably undergo changes in a variety of ways, in our lifestyle, in our educational pattern, work pattern, and so on. So to have this change managed effectively, a large number of organizations, it's not only one in library, it's in every field. You take information technology, that's affecting the life in a very significant way. So people are talking about how to do change management within IT itself. Similarly, change management within industrial institutions and so on. So change management becomes extremely important. I'm very happy to be here listening to the keynote speakers on this particular aspect. And I would now leave it to Professor Hopkinson. Just before he takes the dais, a few words. He is head of library and bibliographic services at Middlesex University. In addition, he is involved with many external activities involving library, archives, and museums. He has worked for the London Borough of Camden, the British Library, and the Merlin Project. I'm just cutting it slightly short, if you don't mind. He has also been associated with the IFLA relating to the project Unimark, and most of you know that Unimark is one of the very important projects that has drawn our attention very, very significantly. This was, then he has been at UNESCO as a consultant, and at Netherlands, at the Institute for Social Studies, he has done a few projects, and then in Tanzania, National Central Library, and Brazil, IBICT. What does that stand for?
Brazilian Institute for Information in Science and Technology.
IBICT, Brazilian Institute for Information and Communication Technology. Okay. He has worked as Information Systems Manager at the Institute of Development Studies at the University of Sussex, setting up MinISIS. MinISIS, I think, is very familiar to a large number of library professionals in this country. And he's also been associated with a few other projects. And he's been involved with the International Guide to Literary and Art Archives, and controls the web pages of ISIS, plus the UK CDS ISIS user group. I think that's very interesting. So I think, we're going to have we look forward to a very interesting presentation from Professor Hopkinson. Professor Hopkinson.